Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Joy!
Happy birthday, Joy!
Merry Christmas!
Birthday! Painom na naman! Speech!
Happy birthday, ate! I just wanna greet you na happy birthday kahit malayo kami. Pero naalala ka namin. And I know hindi tayo nakapag-shopping, pero okay lang yan. Hope you have fun, had fun. And I love you.
Nice. Next.
Happy birthday, Ate Joy. I miss you.
I wish you, ano? Yun lang.
Happy birthday ate. Sana nandito ka kasama namin para mas masaya.
Happy birthday! Sana naging masaya ka dyan kahit na wala sila Karen. Kami, masaya naman dito, at least naalala ka namin. Sana naalala mo rin kami. Happy birthday! Be happy. Love you! Next!
Joy, happy birthday! Pag nagpadala ka maong yung kasya sa waistline ko, ha? Hindi yung malalaki. Okay, you rock!
Right. Next.
Happy birthday, Ate Joy. I wish you more love, more blessings. At sana masaya ka lagi. We wish you a lot. We love you.
I love you.
And then the main event.
Ayan. Ako naman. Gusto kayo dito para ma...
Lakasan niyo po.
Yan.
Hear it. Okay.
Kahit...
Sorry.
Ito ang first time since we came to the United States na wala kami. But then, alam mo, kanina, nagsimba kami, ano tawag niya? Pinag-greet ka namin sa pare during the Mass.
Oh.
So, sinabi na birthday greetings from Joy Eugenio
To Joy.
Eugenio, and also blessings, mga blessings na tatanggap natin with Eugenio and Aguilar families. Kaya lang, wala naman akong ibang masasabi kundi alam ko masaya ka sa piling ni Brian, hope so. But pinagpe-pray kita sana lahat ng wishes mo mag-grant dahil yan ng iyong gusto. Happy birthday, anak. Pagdasal mo din na this coming Wednesday, matuloy na kami. Although sabi, medyo mahirap sumakay. Okay, anak, I love you.
Oh.
Bye-bye.
Ikaw na yung salita ka na.
Nanili?
Basta lakas mo lang.
Lakas mo lang na.
Joy, happy birthday! Sana mapakain mo kami. I love you. God bless.
O ano, kakanta na naman
Happy
tayo.
birthday!
Bye, te! Happy birthday! We love you!
Love you!
Happy birthday daw sabi ni Tito Obet!